Philippe, tell us more about capzlog.aero.
Capzlog.aero is a digital pilot logbook software that allows pilots to keep their personal record in a fully compliant and state-of-the-art digital logbook format. It covers all major aircraft categories and all career steps. So it ranges from sailplane student pilot up to airline type rating examiner.
And the idea of integrating with Leon, where that came from?
Having to enter the data after the flight into the personal logbook is both a lot of effort and a source of error for the pilots. We maintain a whole ecosystem of integrations in order to increase the level of automation. And the Leon integration now enables all pilots flying for operators using Leon to benefit from that feature.
Could you tell us more about the capzlog.aero integrated program?
As we apply the highest compliance standards when building capzlog.aero true to the regulation, we paved the way for official certification, but also for interoperable highest quality data. So we are able to streamline processes for business operators with a cross-operator data-driven approach. And we're here to welcome operators to the capzlog.aero interoperated program to join forces and to work on that project together. So drop by our booth and contact us on our channels.
Could you also give me the most important benefit of using this integration?
So the most important benefit, of course, is that you don't have to enter the data manually anymore into your personal logbook, but you just get the flight data imported. And of course, also it's error avoidance. So you don't have any more errors from calculating page totals and stuff, because our tool really takes care of all the validation and makes sure that you have a guaranteed error-free record.
All right, thank you.